has been demolished by has been demolished by Hurricane Melissa. This is what it looks like. This is what it looks like. Water, the all over, everything wet up. My room, I don't have no roof for my room. So if there's anybody out there that is willing to assist, I am grateful. I'll accept any help. Respectfully, please, may I ask you for help? Nothing. Yes, smashed right up, roof gone, but I am alive. I give God thanks. I did take cover. You understand me? So me give God thanks. I am alive and well. AC mash up. So everything gone and everything. So it is what it is. Everything's gone. See, water, everything then water. Nowhere to sleep tonight. But me give God thanks to life. Oh, I have to go back to the because I have no other entrance and I don't want to